I heard as a kid in Australia, he befriended a group of kangaroos.
Troop.
Huh?
A gathering of kangaroos is called a troop.
Can I finish my story, please?
Sorry.
So he befriends this troop of kangaroos and actually trains them.
Trains them to do what?
Be a delivery service, kangaroo carriers.
Get out of here.
It's true, they carry packages in their pouches, they're very fast and great problem solvers.
I want a kangaroo.
So the business takes off, they become the largest delivery service in Australia. After all, who doesn't want a package delivered to them by a kangaroo?
Macropodophobics don't.
Who?
People with a fear of kangaroos. Macropodophobia. It's a thing.
I'm scared of spiders.
I wonder how he trained all those kangaroos.
Who wants cookies?
Ooh, cookies!